My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial using the Nueva, it's new in Spanish, right? Amrezy palette by ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. To be honest, I don't know who the hell Amrezy is. I'm sure she's a makeup artist on YouTube, but I really didn't. This wasn't a palette I was like super excited for, but then when I saw it, I was like, ooh, that is really pretty. Not to mention this packaging. Girl, if I were to create a palette with ANASTASIA, this would for sure like be my packaging. Ugh, I am just living for it. I actually just like changed the color theme of my living room to pink and gold, so. And the look I created, this was it, but I've just worked 13 hours. Like, I'm literally about to like narcolepsy out right now. It did look good for a long time, and I'm surprised that my makeup has held up this long. But this is such a gorgeous palette. Oh my gosh, you have your like all your pretty neutral browns. You have, these are just like stunning shimmers, and I don't feel like they are colors that I've seen in ANASTASIA palettes before, because they can have a tendency to put repeats in palettes, but none of these look repeated, like they've been repeated or in previous palettes. And this one right here, Liddy, I think it's a pressed glitter, but it is just stunning. Oh. So if you would like to see what I created with the Amrezy palette, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So I wasn't planning on this to be like a Valentine's Day tutorial, but the look I created could definitely be a Valentine's Day look. And that's why I decided to go with like a raspberry lip, because I just thought it was very feminine and very appropriate for the Valentine's Day holiday that is coming up. So, I don't have my phone. Oh my god. So, this palette retails for $49. So it just says, this versatile palette will help you recreate every Amrezy look you love. It includes classic nudes to playful rosy tones and seductive smoky hues, from mattes and metallics to ANASTASIA Beverly Hills' most insanely pigmented glitter finish yet. I knew it was a glitter finish. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing more looks with this, because oh my gosh, these colors right here, I could not decide what I wanted to use. But yeah, it really is a stunning palette. And this is completely random, but okay, these are like, do I have any down here? One of like my favorite lip products by YSL, the Volupte Tint and Oil. I got this from Groupon for $7. Like, what? How come no one ever told me you could, I guess it was like supposed to be a tester. No one tested it, but because it was supposed to be, it was only like $7. I did have to pay $6 for shipping, but $13 is not bad, because these are normally like $37 or $38. So, fun fact. Yeah. But I'm a little delirious right now, so before I say any other crazy shit, let's just get right on into this tutorial. Alright guys, I love you. Now, OG. They definitely perform like regular ANASTASIA shadows, at least so far, but I've only tried one matte color. I did a couple swatches earlier, and there does seem to be one that has more of like a glitter finish than a shimmer finish. It's a little different than the other like shimmer shades in the palette. Which one was it? Liddy. I'm going to use the flat side of this and go in with 1988. And put that in the corner. Wow, that's so pigmented.
There are no trees inside of me. In this sense that I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay?
I'm going to use the other end to blend it out. I wonder if that's a pressed pigment because it's a little harder to blend out. And it was super pigmented. I'm going to go back in with OG and blend that out. I didn't get to look up like all of the details yet. I just got it in the mail this morning, then I slept because I worked last night and I have to work tonight. I only got 3 hours of sleep, but it was like either go back to sleep for a half an hour or get up and try and do this real quick. So I don't know like which shades are pressed pigments or not. I'm going to start with Anastasia. I'm not going to put it all the way across my crease though. And this is such a beautiful color and the formula is awesome. It looks super pigmented even without any Fix Plus or anything yet. So now I'm going to flip my brush over and go in with Amrezy. In between the Anastasia shade and that brown. You know what? I liked it with just the Anastasia shade. They're both beautiful shades, but I would want to do the all pink by itself, and then I want to do the Anastasia all by itself. It just didn't look right together. I'm going to work, so I don't want this to be so dramatic. So I'm just going to go in with a pencil brush and more of 1988 and just clean up that outer crease and blend it in with the lid shade. Now I'm going to go in with some Fix Plus. So had quite a bit of fallout, but her shimmer shadows actually do. For liner, for my lower waterline, I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Pink of Me, just a light pink, or you could do a light like white or beige. And I'm gonna go in with OG. Okay, and now I'm going to take that same brush and go in with 1988 and use that as an eyeliner. Look what a difference that makes. So there is one shade I could use to highlight the brow bone, but it kind of has a pinkish tint to it and I don't want to. So I'm going to go in with my JACLYN Flash palette and use GLEAM. And if I forget to film it, I usually, whatever I use for the brow bone, unless it's a matte shade, I will usually use for my inner corner as well. Sometimes I forget to film it because I wait till I'm done with my foundation and everything. Because if I put it on now, like, it'll just get covered up with concealer. Alright, let's curl these lashes. I'm gonna go in with this TARTIST. And some of my Wonder Beauty. Alright, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup. I'll be back.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this sense that I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow?
Okay, so this is the completed look. I thought this could be a really nice date look, so I wanted to pair it with like a really pretty like raspberry lip. So this is Marc Jacobs lip cream in Boy It Gorgeous, and the lashes I used are Kiss lashes in Flirty. I didn't want them to be like too dramatic or glamorous, I just wanted them to be flirty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I really like this palette so far, and I will definitely be doing more looks with it. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.